Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, elegant bow that you can use for any formal event. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is cut some Bowdabra bow wire. And I'm just going to cut a piece that's a little bit longer so that you can use it to tie it onto a chair or on a tablecloth or anywhere that you want to tie it for your event. So I'm just going to fold it in half, lay it underneath. Whoops, I didn't really do a very good job folding in half. There we go. Tuck it underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my tails, I'm just going to fold them in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my next tail and just fold that in half, take the center, scrunch that in. Now I already dovetailed the ends. And then this one I didn't dovetail, I just took it, and it's kind of a plastic ribbon so it won't fray, and I like it with the cornered edge like that. So now I'm going to take another piece of my my ribbon here, and I'm going to actually start by twisting it and laying it down. And for those of you that haven't seen this ribbon before, it's actually a really cool ribbon. It's made from sequin remnants. So now I'm going to just put this in here and go to the center and scrunch that down. And it's just a really fun ribbon. I love to use it. And now I'm going to take my next ribbon here. I'm going to leave a long tail again. I'm going to twist it and fold it back over. Now, if you don't like glitter, this is not the ribbon for you because it's very, very glittery. And then I'll just go to the center and scrunch that in. And then I'm going to take this ribbon here. I love this ribbon, my blush, but it really does glitter. So I'm going to take the right side of that, scrunch that in, bring it around, just like I did for the last two. Take the right side, scrunch that down, this, and scrunch it in. And then I'm going to take a piece of my, it's our Bowdabra mesh ribbon, but I'm just going to fold it in half. I cut it so it's only 4 across. You can use any mesh ribbon here and just scrunch that down. So now I have this as my last tails, which I think adds a little elegance to it. Then I'm just going to take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything down, and take the ends, bring it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and pull it out. And now I'm just going to separate my ends, bring them around to the back. And we're going to just tie a knot here and tie another knot. And I'm just going to leave the Bowdabra wire. Actually, let's tie one more knot just to be safe. Leave the Bowdabra wire here, and I'm just going to shape out my bow. So I'm just going to kind of bring the tails down, lay these tails on top, and just shape. These are all wired. Well, these are wired ribbon. The Punchinella or the Chicago ribbon isn't wired, but it automatically pops out. So it's also a great ribbon for shipping if you have a gift that you're shipping or a wreath that you're shipping. And there you have this beautiful, elegant bow.